Hi everyone. Today I will discuss about today's trade in Bank Nifty jackpot trade using the Excel sheet. I am talking about this Excel sheet where you have to enter the first 15 minute, last 15 minute and days high low over here and one day earlier, and whether there is a jackpot opportunity. That means whether a likely one-sided trendy movement for the market or not in next day based on the current volatility situation. This Excel will give you, and once you will find a yes after entering into data here. What you have to do is that you have to enter the trade next day. Remember, you are putting the data on closing market hours for finding trade on the next day. Next day, if you have to find a yes over here, then you have to enter on a break of first 15-minute candle. So what you have to do is that you have to enter um, on a break of the high, the long, with a stop loss below the 15-minute candle low, and you have to short the market if market goes below the 15-minute first 15-minute low with the stop loss of the high. And then you have to hold the trade till 3. Why 3? Because we are expecting a big movement, so we should give the market more opportunity to move in our favor. So this is the trade idea. You can use simply a bracket order, cover order, or limit order above the high and low. So once one of the um, order will trigger, the rest will act as a stop loss, and you have to hold the trade till 3 p.m. I will explain exactly what to do, but before that I want to quickly go through the performance so far. I'm Here is the performance from the January. As we have today's trade, we earned 355 point, and this is a consecutive 2 days. We This system performed very well. Last date was on 2nd of June on 395 point. Today it's on 355 point. Before that there was a consecutive 2 days of loss. So as you can see, 2 days loss, 3 days loss, and consecutive 2 to 3 days profit is very common for this trading system. And good point is that anyone can do it without having any knowledge and in trading, and just you need to spend couple of minutes to enter into the data. I will show you exactly what to do, but before that, see, we have earned till date 6065.55 point. That is total gain of 1,21,311. And good part of this system is that risk reward ratio, average profit is around 523, and I have to check it. It is too much. Let's check. No, yes, I am right. So average profit is around 523, and average loss is 149. It gives us a 3.51, 3 is to 1 risk reward ratio. Actually, the profit of these 2 days, in one days, we have gain 1286 point. Another day we gain 1285 point. That is on 3rd of the March and 23rd of the March. That's actually make these things more lucrative. But okay, that's also good that we are still up covered last week losses. And now I will show you exactly what to do. So this is the chart. So if we have to trade today, then we have to enter the data of yesterday. So after market close yesterday, remember I am saying after market close yesterday, let's change the date. So yesterday date was 0306 2020. I change the date. Now what I have to do is that I have to enter the first 15-minute candle high low of yesterday. What was the first 15-minute candle high low yesterday? It was 21097, and the low was 202811. That's it. And you have to enter the high low of the days. The low of the day was this. In this candle, as you can see, the low was 2746.45, and sorry, the low was 2746.45, and I make mistake, it will be the high. The high of the day was in this candle. So the high was 21,610. High was 21,610. This candle, the high was made 21,610.15. I entered the data. Now what I have to do? I have to take the last 15-minute candle data. So last 15 minute, the high low was, see, if I entered all those data, there should be a yes if there is a jackpot opportunity next day. The high was 20,874 and low was 20,746.45. As you can see, that here comes the yes, tomorrow is a jackpot day, and that's the reason. Next day what to do? Next day we have to uh, date of jackpot trade, next trading day we just what we did today is we simply enter short below this candle, below this first 15-minute candle. The first 15-minute candle was 2701. So we enter 2700, and the short was executed here, and then market moved little bit time, spent little bit time against us. Our stop loss was above this high, that is around 21075, and then we waited full day and we closed the trade at 3 p.m. The close was around 2341. We closed the positions at 2345, and that's a 355 point of gain. With that, I also want, let me open it. I want to dedicate today's video to Mr. Subramaniam. Subramaniam sent me this message today. Nifty entry short 10.0038 and exit 9992, and Bank Nifty entry short 2691 and exit 2352. Mr. Subramaniam did very good job. Remember, we had a Bank Nifty jackpot day today, and Mr. Subramaniam traded very well. Thank you, Mr. Subramaniam, for your feedback. With that, I want to end these videos, and I expect that you must try once this approach of trading. This is purely objective approach of trading that's required couple of minutes in a day. Good point is that you can understand whether there is a opportunity or big movement or not one day before. That's it from my side today. Hi friend, I hope you all take care. Good trading. Thank you so much. Good evening. Bye.